Hey guys, I'm Mikkel. Welcome to Pretty Healthy. Let's talk about potato chips, the salty and addictive snack. Addictive being the key word, because I say I'm gonna have 10 chips and then I have 10 bags of chips. But today we're making a much healthier version. You gotta see what we use instead of potatoes. You can have as many of them as you want. Yeah, I said that, as many as you want. Today I asked my friend Alvin the aloe vera plant to help us out because, to be honest, I'm a little worried about his chip addiction. I want to show him this healthier alternative. You ready, Alvin? Let's do it. Da 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 da. I'm a little too excited for this recipe because we are turning these into chips. Yeah, sea salt and vinegar beet chips. Wait, no, don't leave. No, it's gonna be good, I promise. You're gonna wanna see how these turn out. Plus, we're baking them instead of frying them, so it's like double healthy. Yeah, beets have so many different beautifying ingredients in it. For example, it's high in vitamin C, which helps you not get sick. It's high in vitamin B, so it gives you natural energy. It's known for purifying your blood. I love beets too, because they have a beautiful color. These are golden, these are red, and these even have little rings on the inside. And beets have like this slightly sweet, earthy flavor that complements vinegar so well. So we don't have a lot of prep work that we have to do, but real quick, check out our ingredients. For our chips, we have red and golden beets, olive oil, vinegar, and sea salt. So to get started, we're just gonna thinly slice these using a mandoline. So I have this on a thin setting, and you basically just run this along the knife. And I'm gonna do the exact same thing with the golden beets. So these are a great chip alternative because you get the same, classic round chip size, but it still crunches and it has so many more nutrients in it than just a regular old fried chip. This recipe could not be easier because we're just tossing these with 3 ingredients, the olive oil and the vinegar. Just pour it straight in, and a pinch of sea salt. And then we're gonna make sure every single one of these chips is individually coated. We wanna be fair, no chip left behind. Then we just lay it out on a baking sheet. So when we bake these, they are going to get significantly smaller. And these have enough flavor to be eaten on their own, but they also have a great complementing flavor with a lot of different dips, like hummus, guacamole, you name it. And these are ready for the oven. Gonna pop these in. It's so important to remember though, halfway through, flip them, because that's gonna make them crispy on both sides. And while we wait for these to bake, check out my pretty healthy tip of the day. Today I wanted to let you know about a super easy and delicious dip that goes great with our chips or any other chip, and that is hummus. Yeah, you could buy hummus at the store, but why not make it at home? It's so easy and you have complete control over the ingredients. 2 of the base ingredients for hummus though are tahini and chickpeas, and they both have great benefits to them. For example, tahini is high in calcium and it helps detoxify your liver, and chickpeas are a great protein source. A serving of this has 6 grams of protein. You can get creative with the flavors too. There's garlic, there's jalapeno, there's tons of recipes online. You should check them out, get inspired, and I know you're gonna love it. So these have finished baking. I pulled them out and I let them rest for a little bit because that's actually when they crisp up, is after they're done baking. Look at how cute and little they get in the oven. I think it's adorable. I'm just gonna pop them all on a plate. And I'm gonna hit these with a little more sea salt to finish. And there we have it. Do you want one? Okay. Here, you get a gold one, I'll get a red one. The most satisfying part of any good chip is the crunch factor, so let's see how these stack up. I love how many flavors are happening, even though we just have a few ingredients. There's a little bit of sweet, earthiness, some vinegar, some salt, and it was so easy. Do you like it? I told you you'd like it. And so will you. So please give this a try and we'll see you next time.